Troubleshooting gas-powered pressure washer. Backfire from Muffler. Step 1. Check the engine oil. Open the oil dipstick and smell for any gasoline odor. If present, drain the oil and refill it to the halfway mark on the dipstick. Step to check the spark plug. Turn off the power, remove the spark plug, and close the fuel valve. Pull the recoil starter 20-30 times until no air comes out of the spark plug hole. Clean and wipe the spark plug. Reinstall the spark plug. Open the fuel valve. Open the choke. Turn on the power and restart the engine.